Hello and welcome to the first episode of Roblox scripting tutorials. So if I insert a part and then click on that part and insert a script into that part, I now have this. This episode will be about Boolean values. Boolean values are the true or false values, so anything with a check mark is a Boolean value. I will explain to you what all of these do. So the first Boolean value we will cover is anchored. If it is false, the brick will fall. If it is true, the brick will stay. That is mostly used for base plates. Now, locked means that you cannot click on the block. So you can see that I'm clicking on the block and it's not showing up. I can click on it from the workspace and set that back to false. Can collide is something that I will have to show you by playing the game. Let me just insert a spawn location so I spawn close to the block. If can collide is false, then the player walking to the block or walking at it is going through it. Mainly used for doors and houses. Now, if it is true, then you will walk over it. Wait, what? Oh, yes, if it is true, you will walk over it, such as going in this and then walking over it. Sorry about that, something happened and it didn't work. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to change these with a script. If you open up your script and then you type game.workspace.part and then you type in, let's say, anchored equals false. So if anchored is true and it's up in the air, so you can see that it's not gonna fall, it shouldn't fall, right? But the script does what it is told and will make it fall. So if it is set to true, and this is set to false, it will still stay in the air. Oh, wait. It will still stay in the air as the script said, no, you are true. So now I will show you changing it with can collide. Can collide equals false. This is all I need to show you because it's that simple. Okay, so if can collide is false, like I said, you should walk through it. That's about it, because you should not change the lock or the archivable, because if archivable is false, it will not save that block. And if it's locked, you probably just don't want to do that unless you're making yourself a base plate, but you don't really need a script for that. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.